Hello, this is Virendra dear. In these morning hours, I'm very much inspired to share with you some of the noble thoughts which stimulates your intelligence to believe that you can really attain any worthy in your life with a definite chief aim, with a destination, with a goal once you have fixed. But for this you have to have willpower. You have to believe in yourself and you have to be courageous, self-confident, self-reliance, daring, determined, perseverant, patient person. And remember, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. You will have to face a lot of difficulties, lot of impediments, lot of suffering, lot of sorrow, lot of griefs. But you have to tread down all these with daring, determined effort. As did Napoleon, as did Julius Caesar, as did Alexander. And that's why they are greats, and as did Ashoka the Great, Akbar the Great. All great men have these great qualities. Invincible courage, indefatigable determination, a resolve, a definite purpose in their life to become the great. And so you can hear the poem by one of the Indian poet. तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत में यकीन कर, अगर कहीं है स्वर्ग तो उतार ला जमीन पर, हजार वेश धर के आई मौत तेरे द्वार पर, मगर तुझे न छल सकी चली गई ओ हार कर. तू आ, तू जिंदा है तो जिंदगी की जीत में यकीन कर. Dear friends, the meaning is very clear. If you believe in yourself and if you feel that you have the same blood, the same courage, the same willpower as of all the greats I have narrated, Julius Caesar, Veni Vidi Vici, Napoleon the Great, the word impossible is found in the dictionary of fools. Alexander the Great, who knows no barriers and limitations to his will and power. You can also attain all the supreme thing on earth. You can bring heaven on earth with your mighty willpower, with understanding the power of your brain, the intelligence. Another great poet, Kabir, has narrated the same thing. जिन खोजा तिन पाइया गहरे पानी पैठ, जो भौरा डूबन रहा रहा किनारे बैठ. Those who sought, those who endeavored and persisted patiently, they attained everything whatever they wanted in life. But those who were timid, coward, feeble, weak, they always suffered defeats and failures in life. So sufferings and sorrows and griefs and poverty, all these are for the people who invite these things always by thinking on those points. You have to feed on your mind with thoughts which are positive, creative, success, greatness, happiness, joy, and all the embodiment of grace and gratitude and blessings of earth. You are attracting whatever you are thinking and keeping your mind. Also remember, मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत, कहे कबीर गुरु पाइये मन ही के प्रतीत. Means, it is your invincible mind, the tough mind, the believing mind, the conceiving mind, that whatever you are daring and dreaming, you are bound to succeed. Simply you have to have the invincible courage, the determination, the daring, and the persistent continual action despite of all failures, defeat, difficulties, dangers, obstacles, adversities. You have to keep on moving and moving and moving, non-stop. Everything will vanish and suddenly you will be blessed with such an abundance which you have never dreamed about, that you can become such a great person, such a successful person in your life. Dear friends, these are some of the great philosophy which I wanted to share this morning. So believe in yourself, have faith in yourself. You can do it if you can believe. But remember always, there is no such reality as something for nothing. You have to pay the proper price in the right proportion, in the right ratio. Only then you will be achieving whatever you want. But whatever you want first, you have to make a blueprint and keep in your mind first. Already you have to believe that you have achieved it. And remember the formula put forward by Andrew Carnegie, which was conveyed to Napoleon Hill. You have to fix a definite picture in your mind what you want in life. You have to formulate, stamp indelibly, and hold it tenaciously, and start believing that already you have attained all those things which you have dreamt about. You have to also fix a definite time frame for that, the starting point and when you want to complete that task. Also, you have to determine exactly what you are going to give in return for that. And you have to have a well organized planning how you will accomplish those tasks. And when starting immediately without any further delay, if you are facing failures, defeats, you should think that your plans have failed. Like Thomas Alva Edison planned to discover the incandescent electric light bulb failed 10,000 times. It was the plan, it was the procedure, it was the method, it was the idea which has failed. And he instantly changed it and he succeeded. So you are bound to become successful in life. You are bound to be rich. You are bound to be famous. Whatever goal and destination you have set in your life, you are going to accomplish it. But simply you have to believe in yourself. And you have to keep on keeping on, persistently, continuously, patiently, till the fortune favors you. Because you are brave. You can do it. You can achieve it. That's the way people have been successful in life. I believe in that, and I tell you, you can do it very, very comfortably, conveniently. Enjoy the journey, not the destination. Suddenly, if you achieve everything else in life, you will not understand the value of it. So, nature, mother, always tests you, and after a lot of pains, suffering, difficulties, you are bound to achieve whatever you want in life and planned in life. That is inevitable. That is absolute truth. There is no denying it. One of the great poets who composed Ramayana, Tulsidas, also said, "Jaake prati jahi satya sanehi, se tai milai na kuch sandehu." Means, if you have a definite affinity towards certain goals, destinations, definite chief aim in your life, you are bound to achieve it. But you have to have faith and believe that you will get it. Lot more to say, lot more to share, because I love you and I'm learning every moment. In this visit, these few words will really keep you thinking towards attainment of your definite chief aim in life. May God bless you. Woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Also, two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Be daring, be dreaming, take the challenges, take the bulls by horn, come out from your comfort zone, dare to dream, dare to become non-compliance, self-reliance. There is your destiny, there is your future. May God bless you. This is your servant, clavering, clamoring, sincerely wishing, desiring to be as useful, as productive, as sincere, to render the best quality and quantity of service. QQMA formula. Quality of service, quantity of service, and the manner, the positive mental attitude with which I am rendering your service, I think you will love me and you will bless me that I should be more productive and more sincere and more committed, dedicated towards making the world a beautiful place where there is peace, prosperity, and happiness. All are happy. The short journey of life is enjoyable and all are blessed with abundance, health, wealth, peace, prosperity. May God bless all of us. Om Shanti Shanti.